Punishment for sex offenders is the center of a new bill at the state capitol in downtown Sacramento. That legislation seeks to close a loophole that allows some adults who engage in sex with underage victims to avoid registering as a sex offender. Thanks for joining us tonight. For Fox 40 News at 5:30, I'm Eric Harriman. Nikki has the night off. Fox 40 Capitol reporter Eitan Wallace joining us with a closer look at that proposal.
Yeah, backers of this bill say it's all about protecting young victims while sending a clear message to perpetrators.
Do not mess with teenage girls.
Los Angeles City Attorney Heidi Feldstein Soto sending that message to sex offenders. She's concerned current California law provides a loophole allowing some sex offenders to go without registering.
I don't understand why this loophole exists.
Specifically, California law requires mandatory sex offender registration for anyone who takes part in most sex offenses against underage teens and children, except if the offense involves intercourse with a 14 to 17-year-old victim. How Feldstein Soto feels about that exception?
Free pass to someone who wants to be a predator as against a 14 to 17-year-old girl.
But she hopes to change that with the bill she's sponsoring, SB 680. If passed and signed, it will require adults who've been convicted of having intercourse with a 14 to 17-year-old teen to automatically register as a sex offender if they are at least 10 years older than the victim. Baldwin Park State Senator Susan Rubio authored the proposal.
We tell our perpetrators, you will not get away with it, and we're going to close this loophole because our young ladies matter.
This makes our teenage girls across all of California safer from those who would otherwise prey on them.
The California Sex Offender Management Board is opposed to the bill, writing this in part, quote, "There is no scientific evidence that ordering sex offender registration for persons convicted of unlawful sexual intercourse with a minor would increase public safety. On the contrary, ordering a younger adult to register may increase their chances of reoffense due to housing, education, and familial instability." But the bill's supporters make clear they're not backing down. They believe it will make a difference.
To protect our kids.
We will not tolerate these sexual predators preying on our young individuals, and we are going to come after you.
And the bill has bipartisan support. It just passed the Assembly Appropriations Committee Friday and next heads to the Assembly floor for a full vote. At the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.